Victory Lane. He has been here at Bridgeport a couple of times in Victory Lane. I'll tell you what, you won this opener back in 2012, back in Victory Lane again. Nice run today. Congratulations.
Thanks. It's just, to be able to get here and have the support, I just want to thank Bill and Colleen and all the people in the Hewell family there for giving me the opportunity for one. Second, I just got to thank Fox Shocks, because they've been giving me a package lately that's been unstoppable. So the car was good. I don't know, me and Rick were battling up there a little bit. He got me at the end of last year, so, we figured we're just going to run hard, and I don't know what happened to freezing, but, I saw him pull off. I says, holy cow, what are we, first and second? So it's just nice. I like to thank all my crew guys and everybody helping out. We had a tough last couple of weeks of getting ready, so it was funny. Andy said, oh, after you win tonight, we can go to 5 Mile next week, so I don't know. But like I said, I just want to thank everybody that's a part of it and helped me get here, because, it's just not easy.
Today's race proved that while you're out there racing, you never give up. You never stop trying to gain positions. Stewart was pretty far ahead. You and Rick had a spectacular battle. You had him, he had you. You got back to lap traffic, you got him. Moments after you made that move to get second, it turned out to be the winning pass for the victory.
Yeah, I know. It's, when I seen him get out there, I said, instead of me burning my stuff up, let me just be patient. And I backed off a little bit, and that costed me second with Rick. So, just goes to show, I didn't want to, usually I burn my stuff up by the end, so I just was trying to be a little bit of patience so I can get there. So.
And then, of course, when you did get Rick, there were some hair-raising moments with some lap cars there. You were running sort of the middle to the bottom. He was running the middle to the top. You guys were using every inch of the track in the battle for the number 2. Turned out to be number 1 spot.
Yeah, I don't know what the new clay they put down. It's been good. I mean, it's racy. You can go to top to the bottom, and I know it had to be exciting for the fans, because I know through lap traffic, it was pretty neat. So we're going, every inch of the racetrack using top to the bottom.
All right, great job. Enjoy this. You get an ROC win. You get an opening day win. You won last night. You're getting your season off to a really good start.
Yeah, if we can keep it going, right?
Good job.
Thanks.
All right, Ryan, go down. Woo!